Welcome. We present to you a review of Audifort. So let's start from the beginning. Audifort is a liquid dietary supplement designed to support healthy hearing and reduce tinnitus symptoms. No gadgets, no ear inserts, just a few drops you take daily. And unlike products that try to block noise or mask the issue, this one works from the inside by strengthening the connection between your ears and your brain. What makes it different from the other hearing supplements floating around out there? Audifort goes beyond basic vitamins. It combines over 20 natural ingredients, things like maca root for energy and cellular repair, grapeseed for antioxidant protection, green tea to boost blood circulation to the auditory nerves, capsicum annuum to calm inflammation, GABA to reduce sensory overload, and Gymnema sylvestre to support long-term hearing clarity. Each one plays a role like parts of a well-coordinated team. Here's how it actually works in practice. You use the dropper to take one dose in the morning and one in the afternoon, either under your tongue or mixed into your water or coffee. Once absorbed, the formula improves blood flow, reduces inflammation in the auditory pathways, and starts re-establishing clean communication between the ear and the brain. Over time, that can help reduce ringing, boost focus, and create a more comfortable listening experience. Safety-wise, this is a non-GMO, stimulant-free formula manufactured in a U.S. facility that meets FDA and GMP standards. The presentation doesn't mention any major side effects. Let's talk about what it costs and whether there's a real discount. According to the official website, link with discount is in the description. 2-bottle option, $79 per bottle. 3-bottle option, $59 per bottle, plus 2 free bonuses. 6-bottle option, $49 per bottle, plus 2 free bonuses, plus free US shipping. All of them include a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it for 3 full months and get a refund if it doesn't work for you. Now, who is it for? This is ideal for adults in their 30s to 70s who want to maintain or restore hearing clarity, reduce tinnitus-related distractions, and improve focus naturally. Personally, I like the fact that it's proactive. It isn't promising instant miracles. It's offering consistent, natural support that can quietly improve your day-to-day life if you stick with it. If that resonates with you, check out the official website plus discount link in the description.